Working on a 2011 Dodge Ram. I got a p2308. I just thought I would show everybody what I found. I got the coil number 3 unplugged here with my test light connected to it. And I'll show you what I got back here. There's a short to ground. So show you when I move the wire what happens. So that's touching, just moving the wire, the harness, and it's hitting a bolt in the back where it rubbed through and it's shorting it to ground. And that is what's causing my misfire, and also is causing, on this case, to split and crack the coil packs.